Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start right away. Confirm hull upgrades, sonar sensitivity, and cargo space. These let you detect and carry refined metal. Once done, equip the magnet or metal detector mod and stow a spare fuel can so you don't abort mid-sweep. Move to known wreck or trench coordinates early for calmer seas. Lower dredge speed to maximize pickup accuracy. You're initiating the search now, so keep sonar active and watch depth readouts closely. This yields initial contact signatures you'll act on next. Now you focus on extraction. Slow to crawl speed and monitor sonar pings and signal strength. Stronger bars mean concentrated metal. Deploy the dredge arm and align the reticle with the clearest ping, then lower steadily. Sudden jerks cause snags. Once you hook debris, reel and check inventory slots for refined metal icons. Make split decisions to cut non-metal junk. If you encounter clustered pieces, sweep methodically from one edge to the next, so you don't miss hidden refined chunks beneath larger wreckage. Finish by converting and securing your hull. Return to shore base to smelt raw ores or trade for refined metal. Refined yields higher value and fits inventory better. Make sure you always leave at least one free slot for a high-value refined piece and consolidate smaller items into crates to maximize capacity. If you struggle to find metal, troubleshoot. Recalibrate sonar, restart the magnet module, or change depth by 10 to 20 meters. This often relocates deposits. That single recalibration usually clears false negatives and restores reliable detection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.